Any problem with the site?
We don't have any problem. The enabling contractor started, and the main contractor, started with the enabling contractor, which is this is the big achievement for us. Now, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, from the we are getting, the very important this team. This is helping us, to achieve our target on time.
This is the project really succeed what we need for the project already available with the Novo stores. This is the main thing which can be get the project on time.
And before 6 months, we'll deliver the
For 6 months,
tank.
we'll deliver the
I'm happy we have some good contractors on board and they promise to complete on time.